This was definitely intentionally written in the golden age of Hollywood orchestral style, in the style of Bernard Herrmann and Korngold, and even passing that mantle on to John Williams and Hans Zimmer, but really the 1940s and 50s style of orchestral music for cinematic underscore. I started writing in September, so I wrote pretty much every night for 3 months or so, and then the orchestra got the music in late December, and they worked it up over the break, and then we started rehearsing together January, February, and it was an intense process, but the orchestra was ready for the challenge, and it's been a lot of fun. I'm ecstatic, man. That was exactly what I wrote. The orchestra executed it perfectly. I mean, last night was a good run, but tonight the magic was in the audience. You know, they were really ready for this, and everyone got dressed up and came out for the event, and the orchestra just killed it. So I'm really proud of the work they did. I think it's just a case of art inspiring more art. That's what it was for me, and I hope the audience was inspired by that and took the enjoyment of the movie to a new level if they kind of got more out of it and understood the characters more, maybe. I mean, the movie is a masterpiece on its own.